Welcome back to our SAP MM learning series. In today's section, we will tackle a common issue faced by many SAP users. The error message interval 52 subobjects company code to year does not exist for object rf underscore BELA. We will not only understand the root cause of this problem but also provide a step-by-step guide to resolving it efficiently. So if you are ready to enhance your SAP MM skills, let us start the section. Transaction code MRKO, company code details has been given. Now material number 72. Uncheck the pipeline and click on settle. Now click on execute. So if you check here is error is showing interval 52 subobject company code to year 2025 does not exist for object rf underscore BELA. What is actually means? It is nothing but here we need to create the missing number range interval in customization. So let us do that setting. Transaction code FPN1. Give the company code details. TSLJ. Click on free intervals and here number range is not showing 52. So we need to insert. So click on change interval. Click on insert. Give the number range as 52 and also year 2025. I am copying one number to give the material range and I will change it to new series. Details given. Now enter. So 52 number range has been given and save it. Now we will see whether error has been eliminated or not. So again MRKO transaction code, give the company code details and material number 72. Click on uncheck the pipeline and settle. Click on settle and execute. So there is no error now. System is showing some new error that I will short it on in next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for many more SAP MM videos. Thank you.